guys, it is October 20th, 2021. This one we're going to call from a guy. He says he's got a problem with one of his own valves, hydronic heating. So I'm going to go over there. And he said he looked me up on YouTube and I'm in the same town as him. So we'll go over there and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. Test it and see if it's bad. I should have them right in the truck. We got 24 volts on 1 and 2. And you're saying it don't kick the boiler in? That you know of.
Yeah.
Alright, we gotta check the other one. No, these are all 24 volts.
Well, I'm saying let's go from the transformer 110 down to 24, correct?
Yeah, right, the transformer feeds all, that's only 24 volts on this, so we're going to disconnect that. After 90 seconds, we should have, them two should be continuity, and if not, it's a bad head. Because that's what fires the boiler is 3 and 4.
I got you.
So, if this don't give us continuity, which will open line there, it's a bad head. Open line 3 and 4, because 3 and 4 goes down and pulls in the boiler. So we'll give it a minute. So that's the one you're having a problem with. Probably just a bad head.
Yeah.
Alright, it's been a while, so let's see if we're gonna. I had to disconnect 3, 2 and 3. Open line. We still got. Alright, so it's a bad head. We're going to change it. The power off. I'll just double check it. Kind of in a bad area. Yeah, power's off, so I'm going to change this head. Yeah, she's hot too. There's a little sparking going on. Bad area, it's hard to. Alright, we'll turn the power back on, and after 90 seconds, it should fire the boiler. Right. After 90 seconds, it should fire the boiler. I gotta get some more tags out of the truck. Alright, fired up the boiler. Working now. Alright, new zone head, second floor master. It's working now. He shut the other two off.
How do you say your last name?
Lavimoniere.
Lavimoniere. Oh, fine Portuguese name, eh?
French.
I know that.